Well, hello there. This is Craig Hain. My students call me Dr. Dell. And the title of this message is No Math Failures. Now, take a look at your school, and here's a definition. A student understands a math topic. If that's the case, I call that a math success. And if a student does not understand a math topic, I call that a math failure. Now, being a math failure can be psychologically devastating for a student. And in fact, worse yet, it can lead to many other failures in many other ways. Now, I know of what I speak because I was once a student math failure when I was in high school, and I was saved by two wonderful teachers. I was very, very, very fortunate. So I would ask you this question. Do you have any students in your school that might be considered math failures, either by themselves or whomever? Because the bottom line is, when you teach a student a math topic, either the student is going to understand the topic or not understand it. It's really an A or an F. It's either pass, fail. It's either success or failure for any given topic. And that's just the situation mathematics is. It's a whole series of topics, and students can understand certain topics or not understand them. And that determines whether they consider themselves failures or not. Now, I have some very good news for you. If you teach a student appropriate math topics, in other words, proper content for that student, and you use good pedagogy, and I call it spike pedagogy, and I'll tell you about that in a moment, then the student will learn that topic and will not be a math failure. They're going to be a math success for that topic if you do these two things. Now, I explain all this in quite a bit of detail in what I call a golden rule math book I've written, that you can go to goldenrulemath.com/struggle and get a copy of the book. And it's just you can get a PDF copy free. You can buy it on Amazon or get a free PDF copy. It's a short book. You can read it pretty quickly. It's for struggling math students, and it will really explain to you then what it is. You go to goldenrulemath.com, goldenrulemath.com. There's several books I've written there, and this one I'm recommending to you is for struggling math students. Those will be the ones that are being considered failures. You click on that link and you'll go there, and then you'll be able to you can buy it on Amazon if you want to, as a paperback or PDF, or you can download a free PDF copy. And if you do that, then you'll get it here, and this will explain it. Now, this really gets into quite a bit of detail on what you need to do with struggling math students. These are the ones I'm saying are considered themselves failures in at least certain topics in math. And one of the things I talk about in great detail is spike pedagogy, and I'll talk about that in another message in more detail, but that's in this book. So in any event, you can go get a copy of that book. Now, that's not the only thing, though. That's the good news I have for you. Your school can also help these struggling students with something I call magic carpet math, because magic carpet math, which I've explained in other messages to you, and you can go to triadmathinc.com MCM and learn all about it, more details, or videos there and so on. What will happen is this will help your students topic by topic supplement whatever your current math program is doing. So you can take struggling students that are failing in some topics and use magic carpet math, then that resource, to convert them into successes. Now, this is going to be a great special value to any of your students that are having trouble with math. They're not excelling in it. And this will be particularly true for students that don't like math for some reason. And that often happens when students are struggling with something, then they don't like it. That's understandable, of course. The bottom line is your school does not have to have any math failures anymore. You can use the magic carpet math to supplement what you're currently doing and have nothing but successes. Now, I can have a Zoom meeting with you and your school leaders to discuss it anytime you want to, and then you can get started on it and you can try it. It's very inexpensive to try, very risk-free actually, and very cost-effective. And so just contact me. Now, as I said, I'm Craig Hain. This is my contact information. I have a PhD in mathematics, as you might imagine. I've taught math at all levels, from workforce math all the way through theoretical math for things like quantum theory, Hilbert spaces and stuff. I founded a company called Triad Math Inc. And our goal is to help high school students, middle school and high school students, post-elementary students succeed at math. And we're having tremendous success with that with homeschool communities. And I do believe that private schools today can do the same thing And this message is probably aimed primarily at private schools. I know the public schools are being held back by a lot of situations they're in. Now, you can learn more about me at my personal website, craighane.com. In fact, I have a lot of free information there, but I have my VTA and everything, learn all about me. And you can email me at craig@hane.com, my email address, or phone me, and we'll set up a Zoom meeting and get you started. So this is Craig Hane. There's no reason now to have any more math failures. And you now know how you can get started and avoid that. And so I wish you luck, and I hope that you succeed in doing that, because I know our mutual mission is to help all your students succeed at math and have a wonderful life. So thanks for watching the video. Bye-bye.